So your Samsung Galaxy Watch will not turn on, and you are trying to find a way that you can get it to turn on and be fully fixed so you can use it as normal. Now, what you want to do first of all is you want to turn it over right here, and you just simply want to identify the type of charger which it does require. Now, if you've got a charge for this, what you can do is try and put this on charge and leaving it for a couple of hours, because if it has been left sort of out of the way and you've not been using it, what will happen if it has run out of charge and it has not been charged for a long time? It will just take a couple of minutes for it to actually register that it is being charging. So all you need to do is simply take a charger, put it on there, and then you can then try and leave it for a couple of hours, and then you can then try and use it again as normal. Now, if not, what we can do is we can locate. Usually there's a couple of buttons on the device, so this one in particular has 2 buttons here. Now if it's a different model, it can be slightly different, but you want to take at least 2 buttons and then you want to click them both down at the same time, and then you want to hold this now for around 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now once you do this, what that will essentially do is it will essentially reset the whole device here, and then you will then be able to use your watch as normal. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.